I'm Dr. Douglas Green. I'm from the United States of America, from Minneapolis, St. Paul. I am an SDS doctor. I came over to Switzerland initially to be able to learn more about the ceramic implantology system that I've been placing in patients for about 2 years. And ironically, during my first visit over here, I had a bad root canal molar tooth that they asked for volunteers from the class to further examine. I became that volunteer, and as a result, it started a process whereby I actually decided to come back to Switzerland and undergo the entire Swiss Biohealth process to be able to clean out the root canal, to be able to have a ceramic implant placed, to replace the tooth that needed to be removed, as well as they also determined that I had cavitation lesions around where my wisdom teeth had previously been. I would describe the process as being very simple. It's very well organized, and it's also been very satisfying in that as a doctor, we always try to create a better experience for our patients. We all know what we put them through when we take out teeth, when we do root canals, when we do things that are surgically natured. And in this situation, I would define the overall experience as exceptional. It has been one whereby, as a doctor, I've learned new ways to be able to help improve the patient care that I provide for my patients to minimize the post-operative discomfort they have, as well as numerous nutritive sources to be able to help their bodies recover after the process has been completed. And that is crucial to make sure that patients heal well and get a good long-term healthcare outcome from the process. Personally, my experiences were a little different. I had a lot of chronic pain around numerous joints in my body. As soon as they took out the root canal tooth, I had very little pain and now have no pain in those particular joints. I also had very little post-operative pain that I would describe as no more than a 1 to 2 on the 1 to 10 pain scale. And I literally have not had any pain in my jaw following the surgery starting the morning after the procedure was completed this previous Monday. I don't think I had one favorite therapy. I think the whole process combined just helped. I mean, you've got a combination of different therapies, whether it's magnetic, neural, whether it's related to IV therapies. There isn't one that I would say is any better than the other. They all combine and basically amalgamate to form this just incredible ability to let the body release the toxins and all the things that have been preventing us from healing as human beings. That's the advantage to this place versus doing something over in the United States. In the United States, it's very pill-oriented. It's very prescription-driven. It is all about taking care of the patient and then moving on to the next one. Whereas here, they focus on a few patients at a time, and they do it very, very, very well. And I think that's part of the reason why success is so high here and why the post-operative pain is so minimal. They do great supportive work when it comes down to how the patient is nutrified and nourished after the process has been completed. I highly recommend it. It's just been a wonderful experience. I could not recommend it enough to people that want to come over here and experience this and get healthier on their own, as well as to try to bring some of this back with me when I return to the States here shortly to make sure that the process that I give my patients is similar to this experience as well.